Let's talk about how to fix the Sims with error code .0x80070141. Game not launching in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But fear not, because your virtual lives are about to get back on track. In this video, we're going to explore a comprehensive toolkit of troubleshooting steps and proven solutions to banish error code .0x800701 for good. Get ready to reclaim your game and bring your Sims back to life, hassle-free. Let's start with the classic fix, the full system reboot. Often by quick restart of your computer, then the or origin plan can magically clear out temporary glitches causing the error. It's like giving your system a fresh slate, ensuring no lingering processes are interfering with the game launch. Always try this first before diving into more complex solutions. If a simple restart doesn't work, it's magic. The next essential step is to clear the cache for your app or origin client. Over time, these clients store temporary files that can become corrupted, directly leading to launch errors like the one you're facing. Deleting these cached files forces the client to rebuild them, clearly, often resolving hidden conflicts and allowing the Sims to launch smoothly. Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are a surprisingly common culprit for game launch failures and those pesky error codes. Your operating system relies on these drivers to communicate properly with your graphics card, and if they are not to par, your game won't even start. Head to your manufacturer's website, whether it's NVIDIA or Intel. Download the very latest drivers and perform a clean installation to ensure everything is optimized for gaming. Sometimes the core game files themselves can become corrupted or go missing, directly causing error code .0x800701. Luckily, both the app and origin clients have a fantastic built-in repair function designed for this exact problem. Simply look at the Sims, then your game library, select the repair option, and let the client verify and fix any damaged files. This powerful tool often brings your game back to its perfectly playable state, ready for your next adventure.